Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2014 Can-Am SPYDER RT SE6 Limited with 23,684 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with GPS and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse GPS prep, and an electronic windshield. We have replaced the rear tire. The SPYDER offers motorcycle thrills on the stability of the rear wheels and stands out thanks to their unique design and engineering. Powered by a 1330cc inline 3-cylinder engine, the SPYDER puts 115 horsepower and 95 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,011 pounds and has a 30.4-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.